Atongoria ciama iria ciumbite ngwataniro ya Mung'ethaniro bururi-ini ni mahingirie mukana wao wa gutabania giikaro na munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja niguo kumuthingiriria hanyukia uthuthuria wigie tharikira itiganite iria ikoretwo igitungio mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua niguo gutigirira aria othe makoretwo magithugunda na gutabania tharikira ici ni matacukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
What has been happening in our country is not just dereliction of duty on the part of the National Police Service, but outright chaos organized by the police themselves.
Atongoria ya aria kwa hamwe mekinyirie wabici-ini nene cia borithi guku Nairobi matabanirie giikaro giki na munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja. Undu umwe na anini yake iri kuria marutire mukana wa gwitia mirurungano ya muingi wona akorwo mateta mao matamurikitwo gukinyiria tariki 16 mweri ukite.
That if this situation continues after 16th, hatutakuwa na lingine la kufanya ni kuitisha maandamano katika Jamhuri ya Kenya until Kipchumba Murkomen is removed from office, IG Kanja is removed from office, and the 2 DIGs are removed from office, and the National Police Service can be put back into order.
If they have not arrested those police officers armed with AK-47 rifles who are mobilized by 2 police vehicles from the county of Nairobi to go all the way to Nyeri to kill Rigathi Gachagua, we shall call for mass action. The church, Kenyans, kila mahali. Because this is clear. If we don't stop this thing now, there will not even be any election.
If there is nothing to demonstrate that we are back to the rule of law, to obeying the Constitution, then as Kenyans, we know we are on our own and we can take the next step.
Atongoria ya mokireire maabitha borithi ta gukorwo matiganeirie wira wao wa gigatiba wa kurangira Akenya othe na makegemera mwena umwe wa kiuteti kuria makoretwo makihuthirwo guthagathagia atongoria mwena wa Mung'ethaniro aria itemi-ini ria kumaguoyohia na kumahotomia kiuteti.
We want the National Police Service to get out of goonism, to get out of dirty political work, to go back to their mandate, utumishi kwa wote, to provide security to everybody irrespective of their political affiliation.
Na tumeambia police officers kama hawataki kulinda mikutano yetu wasikuje kusaidia wahuni.
Giikaro giki kirumirire tharikira itiganite iria Gachagua akoretwo agitungio hindi ya mishemanio yake ya kiuteti ya ica ikuhe kiumia kihituku kanitha-ini wa ACK Witima Uthaya kaunti-ini ya Nyeri kuria maabitha borithi na nyanake mahithukire kanitha uyu na magaikia riera ria kuruta maithori undu umwe na makihura marithathi guku atongoria ya magithingata maabitha borithi gutiga kunyitanira na nyanake guthararia thayu wa bururi.
We are also telling them, get out of electoral matters. Whenever there is elections, like there was a by-election, let the police do their work of security, not partisan political stance or assisting one political party to get their bid.
Ingi cia tharikira iria Gachagua akoretwo agitungio ni hindi iria acokagiririe bururi-ini kuma icera ria bururi wa Amerika mweri-ini wa 8 mwaka muhituku mwena wa Cabanas na ikirumirirwo ni ingi mweri-ini wa 11 kanitha-ini wa PCEA Kariobangi North kuria maabitha borithi maikirie riera ria kuruta maithori nginya kanitha-ini uyu. Igongona ria mathiko mwena wa Limuru mweri-ini wa 11 mwaka wa 2024 kuria nyanake ciahithukiire igongona riri na igithukangia ngari ciake mbere ya guthararia igongona riri hamwe na game.
We have given them up to the 16th to specifically deal with those items, 23 incidents, and there are even more, where the police have not only been complicit, but they have actually actively participated in lawlessness aimed at assassinating national leaders, and more particularly Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua.
Gerivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.